Hello adventurers, in this video I'll discuss the top 5 credit cards for rental cars in 2023. With so many alternatives, I've looked into the best cards and chose my favourite 5. Stepping into the world of credit cards for the first time is always challenging. There are a lot of ifs and a lot of wandering around trying to choose which one will be better to start with. You don't have to worry about this anymore. In this video, you'll find out about the 5 best credit cards for rental cars that are among the best in 2023, and instead of choosing between 50, you'll have to choose between only 5. Now, let's hear about them, shall we? Starting at number 5, we have the Platinum Card from American Express. The Platinum Card from American Express is a premium travels reward credit card that offers a wide range of benefits to cardholders. The card comes with a high annual fee and is targeted towards frequent travellers and high spenders. Here are the pros. There's a generous welcome bonus. There's access to airport lounges including Amex Centurion lounges, Priority Pass lounges and Delta Sky clubs. There's free airline and Uber credit of $200 for each. Up to $100 credit towards global entry or TSA pre-check application fee. Complimentary gold status with Hilton Honors and Marriott Bonvoy. Fine hotels and resorts program benefits including room upgrades and complimentary breakfast. And also access to exclusive events and experiences through Amex Platinum Concierge. And now for the cons. There's a high annual fee. There's no bonus earning categories for everyday spending and limited acceptance of American Express cards in some areas. It's great for people that are frequent travellers who are looking for premium benefits and exclusive perks. And also, the card is a good fit for those who value access to airport lounges and luxury travel experiences. It's not great for people that don't travel frequently, as the benefits and rewards are geared towards travellers. And the card may not be a good fit for those who are looking for a card with bonus categories for everyday spending. Let's focus on the rewards. The Platinum Card from American Express earns membership rewards points. The card offers 5 times the points on flights booked directly with airlines or American Express travel, and also 5 times the points on eligible hotels booked on AmexTravel.com. Membership rewards points can be redeemed for travel, merchandise, gift cards, and more through the American Express Membership Rewards portal. Points can also be transferred to various travel partners including airlines and hotels. Now for the welcome bonus. You can earn 80,000 membership rewards points after you spend $6,000 on purchases on the card in your first 6 months. The annual fee is $695. The intro APR is non-existent, but the regular APR is 20.49% to 27.49% variable. The balance transfer fee is unknown, but there's a $0 foreign transaction fee. The credit score needed is good or excellent, which is considered to be between 700 and 850. And at number 4, we have the Chase Freedom Unlimited. The Chase Freedom Unlimited is a rewards credit card that offers cashback on purchases. The card offers a flat cashback rate on all purchases with no categories or limits to worry about. Here are the pros. The unlimited 1.5% cashback on all purchases is a great perk for those who don't want to keep track of rotating categories. The card has a generous sign-up bonus for new cardholders. The card also comes with an introductory 0% APR offer on purchases for a certain period, which can be helpful if you need to make a large purchase and pay it off over time. The card offers a variety of redemption options, including cashback, gift cards, and travel rewards. And also the card has no annual fee, making it a great option for those who don't want to pay for a credit card. And now for the cons. The cashback rate of 1.5% is not the highest available on the market, so if you're looking to maximise your rewards, there may be better options out there. The card's foreign transaction fee makes it less appealing for frequent international travellers. And the card doesn't offer any bonus categories for extra cashback. So if you spend a lot in certain areas like dining or travel, consider a card with bonus categories. It's great for people who want a straightforward cashback credit card with no annual fee and who want to take advantage of the sign-up bonus and introductory 0% APR offer. It's not great for those who want to earn the highest cashback rates possible and also people frequent international travellers who want to avoid extra fees. Let's focus on the rewards. The Chase Freedom Unlimited card offers a flat cashback rate of 1.5% on all purchases. There is no limit to the amount of cashback you can earn. Your cashback rewards never expire as long as your account is open and in good standing. You can earn additional cashback through the Chase Ultimate Rewards program by shopping through their online shopping portal. You can redeem your cashback rewards for statement credits, gift cards, travel purchases or merchandise through the Chase Unlimited Rewards program. There is no minimum amount required to redeem your rewards. If you also have a Chase Sapphire Preferred or Chase Sapphire Reserve card, you can transfer your cashback rewards to those accounts for even more redemption options. Now for the welcome bonus. The current welcome bonus for the Chase Freedom Unlimited card is $200 cashback after you spend $500 on purchases within the first 3 months of account opening. The annual fee is $0, and when it comes to the intro APR, it's 0% for 15 months. The regular APR is 19.49% to 28.24% variable. The balance transfer fee is either $5 or 5% of the amount of each transfer, whichever is greater. And the foreign transaction fee is 3% of each transaction in US dollars. The credit score needed is excellent or good, which is considered to be between 670 and 850. At number 3, there is the American Express Gold Card. The Amex Gold Card has several wonderful features. The great rewards rate in restaurants, including takeout and delivery in the United States, and US stores has made it a popular favorite during the pandemic. It also comes with secondary rental car insurance with the ability to purchase primary rental car insurance. And now for the pros. There's high rewards and earning possibilities, points transfer options to many partners, add up to 5 authorized users for no additional annual fee. You can choose from regular or rose gold versions, and there's also bonus categories. And now for the cons. There's no lounge benefits. There's limited options to carry a balance. High APR for pay over time feature. High pay over time penalty APR, and it also has an annual fee. It's great for people who eat out often, and also for people who spend heavily on groceries, and people who want to master the use of points in rewards programs. It's not great for people who don't eat out often or don't use Uber Eats, and for people who prefer to not spend a lot on groceries, and people who prefer a cashback card. Let's focus on the rewards. For the first $25,000 spent in American supermarkets each year, as well as in restaurants, the card offers 4 points for every dollar spent. When you book flights directly with airlines or through AmexTravel.com, you'll also earn 3 points for every dollar spent. For every dollar spent on additional purchases, you'll get 1 point. Your points can be redeemed in a variety of ways for different amounts. The choices, with values per 10,000 points redeemed, include statement credits towards credit cards, paying with points at the register, or purchasing gift cards from Amex or a variety of airlines, restaurant chains, or retailers. However, you might be able to gain greater value for your points by moving your rewards to one of Amex's partners as opposed to using the other redemption alternatives. Now for the welcome bonus. You can earn 60,000 membership rewards points after paying $4,000 in purchases within the first 6 months of card membership. The annual fee is $250. We've got no information on the intro APR, but the regular APR is 20.24% to 27.24% variable. The balance transfer fee is unknown, and the foreign transactions fee is 0%. The credit score needed is good or excellent, which is considered between 670 and 850. At number 2, we have the Capital One QuicksilverOne Credit Card. The Capital One QuicksilverOne Credit Card is designed to cater to individuals with average credit who are looking to build or rebuild their credit while earning cashback rewards. Here are the pros. It got cashback rewards, credit building opportunities, no foreign transaction fees, a high credit line, which means that after making the first 5 monthly payments on time, you may qualify for a higher credit line. And now for the cons. It does have an annual fee, and there is a limited rewards program. It's great for people that have average credit scores and want to build or rebuild their credit, and for people who frequently make everyday purchases and want to earn cashback rewards without the complexity of bonus categories. It's not great for people that have excellent credit scores and may qualify for cards with higher rewards and benefits, and also for those seeking travel rewards or specific bonus categories for their spending habits. Let's focus on the rewards. Cardholders can earn unlimited 1.5% cashback on all purchases and 5% cashback on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel. Cashback rewards can be redeemed as a statement credit, check or gift card. Redemption options also include automatic redemption, set thresholds, or on a specific date. Unfortunately, the card doesn't have a welcome bonus. The annual fee is $39 and the intro APR is non-existent, but the regular APR is 29.99% variable. There's a $0 balance transfer fee and also a $0 foreign transaction fee. The credit score needed is fair, which is considered to be between 580 and 669. And in first place, we have the Chase Sapphire Reserve. The Chase Sapphire Reserve is a premium travels reward credit card offered by Chase. The card is designed for frequent travellers who value luxury travel benefits and want to earn rewards for their spending. Here are the pros. There's a generous welcome bonus, $300 annual travel credit, Priority Pass Select membership for airport lounge access, there's Global Entry or TSA pre-check application fee credit, there's a trip cancellation and interruption insurance, and also travel and emergency assistance services. And now for the cons. There is a high annual fee. There's limited earning potential for non-travel and dining spending. No 0% intro APR on purchases or balance transfers. And it requires an excellent credit for approval. It's great for people that are frequent travellers who value luxury travel benefits and spend a significant amount of money on travel and dining. The card is also a good fit for those who want to earn rewards for their spending and don't mind paying a high annual fee. It's not great for people that don't travel frequently or spend much money on travel and dining. The card may also not be a good fit for those who don't want to pay a high annual fee or are looking for a card with a 0% intro APR on purchases or balance transfers. Let's focus on the rewards. The Chase Sapphire Reserve earns Ultimate Rewards points. The card offers 3 points per dollar spent on travel, excluding $300 travel credit and dining, and 1 point per dollar spent on all other purchases. Ultimate Rewards points can be redeemed for travel through the Chase Ultimate Rewards travel portal, transferred to various airline and hotel partners, or redeemed for cashback or gift cards. Now for the welcome bonus. You can earn 60,000 bonus points after you spend $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. The high annual fee is $550. There's no intro APR, but the regular APR is 21.49% to 28.49% variable. The balance transfer fee is $5 or 5% of the amount of each transfer, whichever is greater. And there's a 0% foreign transaction fee. The credit score needed is excellent, which is considered to be between 800 and 850. That wraps up what I believe are the top 5 credit cards for rental cars in 2023. Of course, there are a lot more of them, and I can cover them in another video if you want. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next time. And I'll see you in the next video.